Hello and welcome to another video. Angry Birds 2017 here. Today, this is going to be one of my most exciting moments I ever had on this channel. This is the very first time I showed you guys another computer review video. So today we're going to be doing, as this eBay find, is this MacBook Air. So, I think this is a 2016 model or 2017 model of the MacBook Air. So yeah, it's the exact same design as from the 2012 models because of the MagSafe 2 charging connector. So, yeah, it almost looks like the same design back in 2010. So, now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's go ahead and just begin lifting this up. And here's the computer itself. I'll just get to the computer for last. So, first we have this extension cable, which I'll use anyway, since there's not enough for this brick to just fit in. Next is this MagSafe 2 charging brick. So it's got a removable prong, so you could pry this off and you could just put the extension cable there. And that's what I'll use that's what I'm going to use that anyway, since there's not enough room for this thing to go with, or else it's going to waste outlets. Yeah, I'm not going to use anyway. And the other end is this, the MagSafe 2 charger. This is definitely one of my favorite chargers ever. It's one of the best laptop chargers in the world because due to the magnetic design. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So let me just put the extension cable there, charger there, and last but not least in the box is this literature packet. It says designed by Apple in California. I thought there's nothing in there, so here we have the quick start guide, how to use the MacBook Air, warranty information. Last but not least, my favorite is definitely I think everyone's favorite is Apple stickers. So yeah, it's not color matched anyway. So I'll just keep all that inside this packet. I'll just leave the Apple stickers in there. Yes, because I have a white one, which I just got from a friend at school, because he's an Apple fanboy. I have a white one, and we have the black one. The white one's from his iMac, and he gave it to me. It's got the microfiber cleaning cloth. I had the black one now, which came from the MacBook Air box. So, yeah. That's it. So I'm just gonna keep this box, just in case I need to return it. Okay, so let me just put the literature packets right where my TV is, stacked on top of each other. Now, alright, let's go ahead. I'll show you guys the computer in a minute. I'll first show you guys what MagSafe works if you do not know. So, MagSafe is a magnetic connector which was first released back in 2006 when it was introduced along with the new Intel MacBook Pro, which is the first generation MacBook Pro back in 2006. So right there, it magnetically snaps into place. But if you try to yank it or try to just do like this, then of course it will come off by itself. If you yank it, it will not damage the connector or the port at all. It's just gonna stay like that. Unlike my main PC has a standard typical charger, which is not magnetic. You have to it's like old-fashioned. It's an old-fashioned way on my main PC. Apple went back to the old-fashioned way with the latest MacBook Pro and the latest MacBook. So yeah, that was so dumb that it was just depressing that they just took MagSafe away from the newer generations of the MacBook and MacBook Pro. With the MacBook is back in 2015 and with the MacBook Pro is back in 2016. So Now, let's get into the computer. So, of course, MacBooks are famous for their aluminum unibody design. Of course, it's got that glowing Apple logo. So, it's time to get to the ports. So, as you can see, we got mini display, USB, and you got an SD card reader, because it's a 13-inch model. And right here, you got a headphone jack, which once again, which I said, you guys, I done said that before, where you do not see that in modern electronics anymore. And then you got another USB and MagSafe too. So let's take a look at the bottom. As you can see, it has 4 rubber feet, and of course, it's got proprietary screws, which, because it's a thin computer, it has proprietary screws because it's Apple. Then, of course, unfortunately, most of the parts inside this computer cannot be replaced, like the RAM, unfortunately. So, which means that it's all soldered onto the board, and I was sad to upgrade anything. So let's open it up. Woo! So, of course, we got a chiclet style backlit keyboard, which some people prefer over the new butterfly mechanism on the newer MacBooks and MacBook Pros. And of course, they got the glass trackpad, which definitely one of the best things on laptops, a multi-touch glass trackpad on a MacBook. Yeah, MacBooks are famous for having one of the best trackpads in the world. So, yeah, but with the newer MacBook and MacBook Pros, they just back in 2015, they just started to implement Force Touch. So, yeah, but with the MacBook Air, it's just a physical trackpad click. So, and of course, since this computer, tried turning it on and the battery is empty, so which means that we're gonna have to charge it. I'll just keep this in a safe place. And there we go. And we're gonna plug the extension cable to this, because I'm gonna use it anyway. Alright. Let's plug it in there. Power brick is there. Now it's the moment of truth. So, and it shows green when it's fully charged, but orange when it's charging. Go. Oh, we got the Mac startup chime. And it's got the black screen with the black Apple logo. Yeah, unfortunately we don't see the startup chime anymore on some newer Macs, like the iMac Pro, the MacBook Pro. Yeah, I couldn't see that. Couldn't hear the startup chime no more. That was sad that they just took out the startup chime from the iMac Pro and the newer 2016 MacBook Pro. It's just disappointing they just took that out. So, yeah, this has 8 gigs of RAM. I like how it came with 8 gigs. So, I might soon use this as my main computer. Oh wow, look at that. It's just, we'll put that there. I'll be right back because of the password. Alright, the password is entered. We're on the desktop. Let me just crank the brightness. So, yeah, that's how high I can go. Yeah, it's running a copy of macOS Sierra, which is version 10.12. So to system preferences, I'm going to change my account. Yeah, because it's running Sierra, I'll be right back. Okay, so thanks to the dock's translucent design, it just blurred out the serial number, so you guys won't see my serial number. It's running macOS Sierra version 10.12.5, and this is a MacBook Air. It's got a 1.8 gigahertz Intel Core i5, 8 gigs of RAM, and Intel HD Graphics 6000. So, yeah, I'm just gonna... Is it there? So, of course, like I said, I'm gonna after this video, then I'm gonna upgrade it to macOS High Sierra. So just do where it is. You change a profile picture if you want. No. You had to click the lock. Alright, so yeah, you got the notification center. Why does it say Saturday, December 1st? Spotlight. And here you got the dock. Yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade this to High Sierra anyway. So, yeah, that was it for today's video. So, now I forgot to mention about the display. It's a 1440 by 900 display. And unfortunately, the display is TN panel, so colors wash out, and you see it's got bad contrast. So, and yeah, I forgot to mention about the display and the webcam and the microphones. Yeah. So that was it for today's video. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos of mine. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.